Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood planks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smart Paneling 11,338 wall wood planks, 12-piece. We finally end our review with the set of wood planks from Smart Paneling, which is a brand based in the United States of America. The unique thing about this set of wood planks is that there will be no bugs, insects, or chemicals in the wood. You will also appreciate the wood has been thermally treated to make sure that you get the convenience you deserve. Another unique aspect of the wood planks is that there is no warping, cupping, or shrinking. For this reason, the wood decals are usable in the high humidity areas including the bathrooms as well as the kitchens. Since these wood planks are thermo-treated, you can easily use them outdoors, probably under your roof. You will also appreciate that the DIY installation kit has been included in the package. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Very Berry Sticker Wood Panel. This set of wood planks comes as a set of 2 each with a thickness of 0.15 mm featuring quality PVC materials. With the self-adhesive vinyl, you will appreciate that the wood planks will be good for almost any flat surface. Given that these wood planks are from a reputable brand, you can be sure that the planks will serve you right. Another great feature that these planks pride themselves on is the fact that they are waterproof. What's more, they will be very easy to clean when need be. Judging from the reviews from what users are saying, these planks will be good for your needs. The best thing is that they come at a very affordable price. At number 3, we have the Akim Home Furnishings Vinyl Floor Planks. One of the great aspects to appreciate about this product is that the installation is as easy as peeling and sticking. This, therefore, means that this is something that you can do on your own. This package comes with 10 floor planks in every box, where each plank measures 15 square feet. If you are looking to look and also feel the natural wood grain, this is the set of wood planks to purchase. Another great feature that people like about the wood planks is that they are basically very easy to maintain. You should also have enough confidence to buy the wood planks given that it comes with a limited warranty of 1 year. Among the usage areas for this wood plank will be the kitchens, bedrooms, dining rooms, and any other convenient place. At number 2, we have the Barnwood Decor of OKC. This wood plank set has been made with 100% authentic and weathered wood and arrives as a set of 6 wood planks. Due to the nature of this reclaimed wood, it is very common to find knots, nail holes, splinters, or any other imperfection. You however need to note that the imperfections prove that the planks are completely authentic. The pack of 6 pickets for a very decorative and rustic touch that will be a good addition to all DIY projects. In case you are a lover of barnwood, distressed pallet wood, or the rustic Pinterest project, this is the product that you will need. You will also appreciate that the set of planks comes at a very affordable price for any budget. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dimoon 78.7 by 17.7 removable and self-adhesive wood plank. This is a colorful wooden plank with every plank having a size of 24 inches by 4 inches in terms of length and width respectively. Another great feature that you will appreciate the wood decals is that it has an embossed and waterproof design for convenience. Apart from that, the wood planks have a self-adhesive design allowing you to only peel and stick them at your designated place. The wood planks are also very easy to remove without leaving behind any sticky residue. On a similar note, the wood planks will be very easy to clean when need be. The usage areas for these wood planks include the living rooms, wall decor, cabinets, and drawers among any other location of your choice. You will also like the affordable nature of these wood planks. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.